Now we are inhaling this carbon monoxide as carbon dioxide, which is cancerous. This government is telling us not to smoke cigarettes, but this is worth of 1,000 cigarettes. Huh? And what is this happening? No one is taking. This is good for them. Every year they float a tender. They get the money. They make money out of this. We feel we are cheated.
It is like that. It is getting effective to everybody, and those people who are sick, they have become more sick. They'll become more sick. They are going to get attack of this smoke.
लोक हिंगा आमी एकूच माता बरी लोकांचं
ब्रिदिंग करपा प्रॉब्लेम जाता केसो प्रॉब्लेम जाता
Breathing.
मुंबईच्या एके कंपनीच्या मदतीन पालिकेचो उजो पालोवपाचो यत्न चल्ला.
We are getting some chemical called as Renergine. It is coming. What it does is it absorbs. It has the capacity to absorb the methane gas. And then you have to spray it. It's very effective. So we are just now hoping for that. Right now. So that's our hope. Also, we are keeping the mud, everything ready. We have kept, but it's very difficult for the JCB also to move in because it is very hot underneath, and there are pockets that are created of heat. So we don't want any accident to happen. Communication that is going on with Fomento Green, and now a meeting is being fixed on 4th of June. Okay, so we sincerely hope that something comes out of that meeting.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस आणि भीमा पाटील.